we both knew when you began doing this, you weren't going to be
Um,
here forever.
I
I get it. You can't fire the players, so you fire the mascot. You make me sick. Hold on, I'm not firing you. Just got.
I don't think I want to stream tonight. My sister died this last Tuesday, and I I don't know what to say, honestly. I scheduled the stream last night for tonight, obviously, but I thought maybe like committing to stream might might help somehow. I don't know, like maybe if I maybe if I felt like talking or something, it would it would happen tonight, like if I tried to make it happen. But I I don't think I can. I don't think I can. I don't think it's really gonna help my mood all that much. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I've got, like I said, my sister died this last Tuesday, and yeah, yeah, I'm here. I'm here, and my sister died this last Tuesday, and I don't know. I've just kind of been going through the motions since then. So fuck if I know, right? Well,